Okay, let's get started. How to do your morning skincare routine with mature skin. First thing is getting up, exercise, drink some water, have some hot water and lemon, do your hair, whatever it is, but do not wash your face again. Why? Because your skin has in fact slept through the night, repaired itself. Any of the night creams you've used, you've really helped your skin to feel its best, get a lot of rest. So you don't want to disturb your skin as much as I think a lot of people do in the morning by overwashing it. So we don't want to take off all the natural oils, even with a really oily skin. What I do want you to do is use a face tonic or even a micellar water to help refresh your skin. So I like to do 2 cotton pads at a time because this way you are getting a lovely, more like spa-like experience with 2 hands at once. And I want you to just go over your skin with some pressure, and you're going to eliminate any surface oils or debris. Your cotton pad should mostly come out quite clean. I always make sure you go under the jawline. And I've just taken that hydrating face tonic, and you can see I've sort of got some black fuzzies, I think, from my dress. So now that I've done that, I know I've sort of refreshed and woken up my skin. Take the exact same product. So whether or not it's a tonic, not a toner, you don't want any alcohol in this product. You just want it to be a micellar water or a face tonic, a hydrating tonic, and go back over with a couple of drops and apply it to the skin, just like a man would, an aftershave, almost water or a tonic. So I'm just applying that. It feels great. And pressing it into the skin. I find I have that TMJ, so I'm always pressing it into my jawline, like lift. And then anything left, I always just put onto my arms and back of the hand. So I want you to always remember going lightest weight into the thickest weight. Now I'm going to take some of a serum. So I'm really into this La Mer. It's a lifting and sculpting serum. And I always start where I need my serum to work the most, which is through my smile lines and my jawline. So I'm taking my index and middle finger, rubbing it up along my jawline, applying a little bit between my eyebrows, and then whatever's left, I press it onto the skin. And don't forget the neck. And I always put whatever's left on the back of the hands. Now go to an eye cream. So I love either the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. I'm feeling extra tired today, so I'm gonna go for my more intensive eye concentrate from La Mer. And I'm gonna just take a finger dollop and I warm and press it between my fingers first, and then press it into the inner corner, press it from the outer corner, and then in. So outer corner in is the best way to apply eye cream. I don't want to see you pulling this way on the skin because then you're just helping those lines form. So start from the outside in, and then whatever's left from doing your eyes, tap it around your lips. It's that thin skin that needs a lot of repair and hydration. Okay, just feels great. I just could keep doing this all morning. So now you can tell it really is morning because of my morning voice. Now what we want to do is we want to actually give some hydration to the skin. I can feel the serum absorbed into the skin. So I'm going to use a little bit of the La Mer soft cream. You can use a hydrating face cream. You can use a gel-like cream. But just taking, again, a small amount, warm and press, whatever formula it is. And this should just be more of a lightweight, moisturizing gel cream, moisture cream, not too thick. Then what I want you to do is go to your moisturizer that you're going to be thicker, that you may want an SPF with. It is summer. I'm working a long day. So I'm in fact going to finish my skin with SPF 50. So this is a primer plus protectant. One little actually pro tip, which I do want to show you, is this is a little extra step. So if you're feeling really finicky about your skin, before you go into the sunscreen, take a little bit of this gem. I take the Enriched face base. It's from Bobbi Brown, and I use a brush, so a little small touch-up brush, and I apply this. It's almost like a filler. It helps smooth out any of those fine lines or textured skin, and it smells delicious. So I have quite a bit of texture on my forehead. I have texture here around my mouth and around my chin. So that's where I apply it. And I can feel it actually instantly sort of absorb and like invigorate and refresh and give energy to my skin. Now I'm gonna finish with sunscreen. Always remember, sunscreen is the final step. Wow, that Enriched face base feels so good. Remember, sunscreen is the last step. Sunscreen is the step that you want closest to the sun. So there you go. I've got my morning routine on for skincare. I'm gonna now do my foundation and my eyelashes and all the rest of it on the train because I gotta go. All right, have a great day. Huge hugs.